Okay. Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Sony. I am 47 years old from Antique, Philippines. I am single parent. I have one son, 16 years old. My highest education, high school graduate. My expertise are taking care the pets like a dog or cat. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 10 years with the two employer. Currently, I serve two couple now without kids. My duties are taking care of the pets, cooking, marketing, and cleaning. I am willing to take care of kids also. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and willing to learn what my employers want. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and looking forward to work with you.